There's nothing like a warm HOJICHA latte to start your day. Let's make one. Just a few basics. Grab HOJICHA tea bags, milk, sweetener, and a mug. HOJICHA is unique. Roasted green tea leaves give a deep brown color and nutty aroma. First, heat your water. You want it hot, not boiling, to protect the tea's flavor. Add 2 tea bags to your mug, then pour enough hot water to cover. Let it steep for 3 minutes. Watch the water turn a deep, rich amber color. Now gently press the tea bags against the mug. Squeeze out every last bit of flavor. While it rests, measure your milk. Oat milk works great, but any milk works. Gently warm it on the stove. You want it steaming, but don't let it boil. Got a frother? Use it now. Create silky microfoam to make your latte special. Slowly pour the steamed milk into your HOJICHA base. Enjoy the colors. Top it with the remaining thick foam. It doesn't need perfect art to taste delicious. Add a touch of sweetness. A drizzle of honey or HOJICHA powder makes the perfect finish. There it is, a cafe-style HOJICHA latte made at home, warm and inviting. Take a moment to breathe in. The aroma is roasted, earthy, and deeply calming. Stir it once, then take your first sip. It's smooth, comforting, with much less caffeine than coffee. Prefer it cold? Pour your strong tea over ice, add milk, and watch it swirl. Hot or iced, it's the perfect drink to relax with. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your HOJICHA.